Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to install and use PGP with Microsoft Outlook. So first of all, we're going to the website PGP for Win and download the software. Let's do it. Let's click on the screen, big button. Let's choose $0 and hit download. Let's run the software. This could take some time. So now let's answer the security questions with yes. And just follow all the installation steps, all the selected items. That's what we need, so let's go with that and hit install. I already did it, so I will stop now and just open up Kleopatra. After you installed Kleopatra, it will open automatically. So let's check it out. So what is PGP and what is it good for? Why are we even installing it? PGP is used to encrypt and decrypt email messages. So if anyone intercepts a message, they will not be readable. When we encrypt a message, we do this with someone's public key. And the receiver decrypts this message with its private key. So the private key is somehow bound to the public key, and only the person with the private key is able to read this message. That's basically it, so let's go on. So let's start. Let's create a new public key pair, or let's create a new key pair, not a public key pair. Let's hit File and click New Key Pair. We just want to create like a personal one, that's good. Give it a name. And select an email address. So let's review the parameters. That's all fine. I want to create a key pair for this email address, me@lenaulrey.ch. Let's create it. So now we have to choose a passphrase. So it's always advised to choose a really secure one. So let's do that. And then click OK. Your key pair is now created. Perfect, it was created successfully. So it always is advised to copy your key pair. If for any reason, like your computer breaks or anything, you should use or copy this key pair to like a USB stick, a cloud, just a safe environment. So let's do that. Make a backup of your key pair. Just put it on the desktop. It's alright, I just choose that name, that's good. And hit finish. So for exporting it, we need to enter the passphrase again. Let's do that. Okay. And as you can see, it was exported successfully. So now let's go on. Anyone who wants to send an encrypted message to me needs my public key. So how can I do this? There are different ways to do it. One possibility is to just publish it on a server. Then it's accessible for everyone. Can do that. Continue. And it's exported successfully. The other thing we can do, we right click and click export. So we can now choose a place to save it. I already did it here. You can just do it like downloads. So that's my public key. Let's save it. So what I can do with this public key, I can send it to anyone, just attach it to an email, or they can look it up on the server. So now let's send an encrypted email to someone. We could try to send an email to another email address I already created. So let's see if we can find it on the server. Yes, there were a few found. Even though like those two are revoked, this company does not even exist anymore. So let's use the Knights UCF and click import. We want to send an email to this email address. Now we need to click yes, choose this box, and also verify the fingerprint. Click next. It's alright to just certify it only for myself. I want to choose, like, now I have 2 certificates. I want to sign it with this one, and let's certify it. Okay, it asks me for my password again. Let's do that. And it was created successfully. Good. So now let's send an email to this Knight's email address. Let's choose here, encrypted message. This is so secure. As you already can see, the secure button is already enabled and it's signed and encrypted. So should we just try it? I think. Let's do it. So I hit send. And as you can see, it takes a while. But whoosh, the message is gone. Let's see if I can send it in my outbox. Send items. Oh, level 4 trust. Wow, this sounds good. There's also this lock. Perfect. So let's see if we can also receive emails. I have already sent one to myself from another email address. So let's go to inbox. There it is, encrypted mail. So how do I know if it's encrypted? Oh, wow, that was fast. This email is encrypted. That's really cool. And it's an encrypted message. So that's basically just it. Kleopatra is really nice and does almost everything in the background. So the only thing you basically have to do is enter your passphrase and import public keys, or send your public key to the server or to someone else, and you can already send and receive encrypted emails. That's cool. Nice. Well, thank you for listening and have a nice day.